Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have woken up with a horrible head cold this morning, so please excuse my voice, but I do need to get this video out to you guys. I asked you on Instagram and over on my YouTube community tab if I should do this one copper, spray or moss. So my plan is to put the word eat down here it's obviously in the kitchen, and eating is one of my favorite things to do. If nobody knew that already, then yeah, fun fact. So I figured the word eat would look pretty cool down here. So I asked you guys if I should spray it with copper spray paint or coat it in moss, and I think the majority of you said because my walls are already green, it would be too much green. So that's the plan. I'm gonna spray this with copper spray. This is seriously one of the easiest things. Even if you're not gonna do this, have a think what you could actually put around your house for the bedroom, dream, sleep, chill, anything, just to add something to the walls, a bit of texture, a bit of wall art. And this is my plan before I go back to bed and sleep for the rest of the day. So my plan now is to unwrap these. I'm gonna paint them in some white acrylic paint, just because I feel that when I spray paint them, it will make the copper pop. That's my theory. And then I am going to be using my trusted Rust-Oleum spray paint in bright copper. And then I'm going to stick them on the wall. So honestly, this one could not be any easier, but it's just to give you guys a little bit of inspiration that you might feel like there's a blank space on some of your walls. You know, what can you fill it with? Just fill it up with words. So let's go. So like I said, this is one of the easiest, most simplest ways to just transform a little space in your home. So I am going to start off by painting each letter and then taking it outside and giving it a good spray. And that's it, pretty much. That is it. Three letters painted. Now even in white they are gorgeous, so if you're sitting at home and you've got a blank wall in your bedroom, and particularly if you've got like a grey bedroom or a really dark colour, these would pop even in white. So you could think about it. You could put sleep above your bed, or relax, or sleep, or eat. I would totally have eat above my bed. Anyway, I'm going to let them dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take it outside. Make sure you spray paint in a well ventilated area and follow the instructions on the can. So while those are drying, I thought I'd show you this sign. This is the sign. It is a previous video, so I will, yeah, try and find the link to that and put it in a card for you if you want to check that out. This was just a video. I also asked everyone's opinions where I should put it, and I wasn't quite sure myself, but everyone voted for this space above my kitchen door, and I absolutely love it. So it's got what the O is basically covered in the moss, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it looks so pretty in the hallway as you come in. That's the first thing you see. So I am a fan of these letters. But yeah, this is just another idea for you guys if you are interested in doing anything like this for your own house. But anyway, I'm gonna crack on now and get outside and spray those letters. So I'm outside in the garden, and to do my spraying I usually just use a white plastic shower curtain, which I've just laid down with rocks holding it all the way around. So I am going to just adjust that a little bit and then yeah, get to spraying. Okay, so I've just brought them inside, and this is them on the wall, and you know, true Claire style. I don't know if I like it. Okay, let me see if I can get the colour on here. The colour is pretty amazing. I absolutely love the colour. I love the colour against the green. I just don't know if I like it going down here like this. Thought I would. I tried it out first. Anyway, I have stuck them to the wall with some command strips. So the DIY that I did in my bedroom, they actually three letters fell down because I was being a bit stingy with the command strips and I cut them up. Big mistake. So I'm going to donate one whole command strip to each letter, at least one or two anyway, and hopefully they'll stay on the wall. But I hope you like this DIY. I'm now thinking I might actually put it along under the clock, so it actually reads left to right as opposed to up to down. I hope this video basically gives you a little bit of inspiration just for those empty blank wall spaces that you have. Just slap some letters up, give them a spray in your chosen colour scheme, and Bob's your uncle. You've got some wall art. I do really like it, but yeah, let me know what you think. It can either go along this big blank wall here, or under the clock, or above the door, above the blind. I don't know, there's so many options, but I think I need to change it from this configuration, if that makes sense. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I am going to bed now because I'm sick. Have a great day.